Okay. Hello, everybody. Are you awake? Very good. I appreciate your awareness toward this topic because, you know, education is the most important investment ever. I'm really happy to be here at SolidCAM World 2025 with you and among people who really understand the value of education and of course who understand this phrase and this quote: those who empower education empower success. And I can tell you it's quite simple. Those who are really strong in early engagement activities in general and support their schools by trainings, affordable licenses, and I would say leisure activities, those are also very successful in commercial sales. This is not statistics. It is, partially. But what I want to say is that behind these figures are stories. And these stories are fulfilled by classrooms, students, efforts, and I would say sweat people who really been willing to do their best. And I can tell you that our educators and you as a resellers and our subsidiaries, your audience expect from you your support, and it is really crucial. It's not only, I would say, kind of a social responsibility. It's a commitment. Really, it's not a pathetic phrase. It's a commitment, and we need to do that because competitors do as well. So let's go briefly through our activities globally. We are truly globally experts and also in the field of education. I would like to say that Indian guys, Anuj and Swapnil, hello guys. I'm really happy that in India started not new, but let's say updated educational policy with their partners and the resellers and strengthening their activities towards EDU, including new licenses, academic certifications, and SolidCAM Academy and chatbot promotion. It's a bundle. I can tell you, if you want to make your audience aware about new activities, just tell them there is a huge gift. And this gift calls SolidCAM Academy, SolidCAM chatbot, and affordable licenses. In LATAM region, also, Ellen Mariano with Daniel Santos and their team, nice incentives for education and schools are ongoing. In APAC, beautiful cooperation with Benjamin Tan and his ideas he brought from his professional experience from Dassault Systems and about the Center of Excellence SolidCAM in APAC. And also support for Ukrainian schools from a CIS team, and I'm really happy that we have a new university in Kiev and started education with our licenses and with our support. Germany, Michal Leditsky, where you are? Okay, you know, Germany, that's a really big success story, and I would like to highlight them a bit. They've been working with schools from the beginning, and they have had really strong relationships across Germany. And this year, I would say, is one of the game changer year, or a really awesome success year, because they entered the World Skills Germany competition, which is a part of the ecosystem of World Skills International, and also became reseller for educational licenses of SolidWorks in German-speaking countries. So it's a really great, and I appreciate that. And SolidCAM USA, guys, it's lovely to see that you started great collaboration with guys from Titans and still increasing activated licenses. And SolidCAM ANZ, yes, we do the same. So we can see that it is really global efforts. Let's talk a bit about the certification. Ivan, thank you that you started this topic and mention how important certification is. And really, I can tell you that there are excellent resellers, especially in Europe, and I want to mention namely PLM Group. Applause, please. Shear Technic Slovakia. Solid Vision Czech Republic. Cadnea Portugal. And Strojotechnika Croatia. These 5 true tigers been contributing on certification in, I would say, 60-70% together, and it is a huge increase of our success regarding academic certification. And right now, we have assigned moreover than 1,100 users and students and teachers. And sometimes it's funny to say stay tuned. We are tuned, you know, guys. We are tuned, staying tuned, prepare and ready. Hey, SolidCAM academic expert coming soon. This is gonna be really proof of teachers' excellence. And this means that the school, who has this, I would say, very smart guy, can become an ambassador for a SolidCAM and responsible for the ecosystem of vocational and high schools in their areas and regions. Maybe the most important step forward is that there is a requirement for real manufacturing and, of course, the proof of the real manufacturing in 3 axes. Maybe you may ask me why only 3 axes and not 5 axes. Hey, honestly, what is the equipment in schools regarding CNC machines? Mostly only 3 axes, just 5 axes is globally minor. So let's stay on the ground and be realistic. So this means the excellence, really programming in simultaneous 5 axis machining and real 3 axis machining. When? Very, very soon, this is exact date. That's not blaming. Well, really soon, and I hope that the first guys from schools, it's up to you, like resellers and subsidiaries, to motivate your teachers to onboard as soon as possible, check it, beta test it, and do it. Do not hesitate. Time is money. SolidCAM Academy chatbot and AI for schools. I love it. Please, chatbot AI been mentioned many times during these 2 days, and I would like to emphasize one point. It can significantly decrease requests on help desk, especially from the perspective of schools. Just create use cases and create some scenarios how to utilize and leverage on this wizard. It is really wizard. Check it. Just ask the chatbot how to set up curriculum for a vocational school as a beginner. I can assure you, he answers. He answers, and everything, all documentations and all videos, everything he will attach to his answer. It's really reliable, and I would like to say, please spread it as much as possible, and also support your school. Explain them how does it work, because you can feel the decreased number of help desk requests. And of course, this is a bridging. You can see the environment. If you go on the landing page of SolidCAM Academy, you will see the structure of each course. It's fulfilled by courses. It's updated. It's a new game changer created by our product managers, led directly by Emil. So there is no obstacle to spread it. And of course, I would say, provide it as a really perfect gift, especially for schools. Hey guys, this is gonna be directory. This is something new, what we released recently via our educational newsletter, maybe 2 weeks ago, I guess. And maybe you are aware about SolidWorks ebook. It is also a really nice document where you can find all the relevant resources, including links. This is the same. So if you share these documents with your audience, you can rely that they won't be lost, and they can always turn on updated relevant informations and also links which are to all resources like SolidCAM Academy, SolidCAM Academic Portal, and the rest. And it's going to be also available very soon for localization to your local languages. Beyond the regular classroom, I want to highlight 4 areas. WorldSkills, you know who's the main partner for CAM. It's not necessary to name it. We know, we all know. But I can tell you one point. If you check websites, WorldSkills International, and click on the CNC skill, I don't know what's the number, it doesn't matter. 07 and 06. Excellent. And if you scroll down on the page, you will find the tab with companies which are consultants for the occupational standards for the final competition 2026 in China, Shanghai. And there is a SolidCAM inside of that. I know, let's calm down. It doesn't mean we are the partner of the whole competition right now, but we're getting closer and closer because of our excellence and our local support. I always stress it's necessary to foster your schools and your teachers, and I can tell you it is very influential if your teachers see you as eager people. Summer schools. I'm really happy that guys from Denmark and the Czech Republic organized first summer camps and summer schools, and also leverage on academic certifications. It is really important to fulfill, I would say, the gap between the classroom and the leisure. SolidCAM competitions, there are 2 countries, Czech Republic and the Slovakia, which been organizing for many years SolidCAM competition for vocational schools and high schools, and of course formula students. Think globally, work locally. How we can enter in the best way, in the best potential, the environment of WorldSkills by local and national competitions like in Germany, like in Croatia, like in the Czech Republic. And this is the way, because our competition significantly feels our power of the local support. And I can tell you this is something you're not able to replace by empty phrases. Some nice pictures. Formula students, for us, it's working. It's really great. From Portugal, from Czech Republic, from Germany and many other countries. This is the World Skills environment, some nice pictures from the events from previous years. Next year is going to be the national final competition in the Czech Republic, and coming soon, very soon, Shanghai final competition. And proud certified students. And what Ivan said, official and formal diplomas are quite nice documents, but hands on the heart, honestly and openly, tell me, if you are invited to an interview and just put on the table formal diploma, that's not enough. Everybody has some diploma. And if there is a recognized international certification, it really proves something. It proves the point you are able to do with our software, and you are much more interesting than your colleagues. Key takeaways. Still the same. Repetition is a mother of wisdom, guys. Certify, 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 and certify. And please, involve your partners. For instance, maybe you've met before our colleagues from Ceratizit, Czech Republic. Ceratizit, Czech Republic, and Czech Solid Vision, I guess it is maybe third year, they do really nice event for industrial partners, but also for schools, and the first day is fully dedicated for schools and is a huge success. So involve also your industrial partners, tool makers, machine providers, and post-processing. That is the weak spot of our competition. Let's strengthen that. Thank you very much.